It's a 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. Forge a bold path with its beautiful fusion of style and efficiency with a sporty presence and liberating economy. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, metallic paint, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. From the Wall Street Journal, as adapted for the U.S. market, the Cruze is mad for safety with standard equipment, 10 standard airbags, rollover sensor, stability control, pre-tensioning front seat belts, and automatic headlamps. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At family-owned and operated Chervrolet of Montebello, we have a full line of Chevrolet vehicles. Give us a call or come see us today. We're easy to find at 310 West Whittier Boulevard in Montebello, California.